Where it's an image, we have taken the layer. So create the design. First we will make a selection there, then use the different options to click, but we have to take a shape for this purpose. Make a shape there, then go for the selection. So fill up that paint bucket, change the pattern there. So let's deselect and make the selection on that side with different colors and the combinations for it. So there we have changed the pattern for it. So we have changed the color. For that purpose, here we will apply the gradient on that selected part.